Ink, the quiet force behind every signature, every sketch, every note. It brings our thoughts to life one stroke at a time. But what powers the pen in your hand? Let's trace the incredible journey of ink. It all begins here at the heart of the ink factory. Shipments arrive daily. Barrels of dyes, solvents, pigments, and purified water. Each ingredient plays a vital role in crafting the perfect formula. Inside the lab, precision is everything. Technicians measure each component to the gram, ensuring consistency in every batch, because a drop too much or too little can change the game. Next, the mixing begins. In massive stainless steel tanks, water or oil-based solvents are blended to create the inks. Base a fluid foundation for the pigment to ride on. Then comes the color. Rich black carbon, deep blue dyes, bold reds and greens, all introduced in exact proportions. It's not just color, it's chemistry. Blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, breaking pigment clusters into microscopic particles. What was once grainy becomes silky smooth, ready for flawless writing. To protect the ink, stabilizers are added. These agents fight clogs, mold, and break down, ensuring your pen writes just as smoothly 6 months later. Through ultrafine filters, the ink is purified particle by particle. The result: a clean, flowing liquid that won't skip, smudge, or fail. In the testing lab, samples are pushed to the limit. pH levels, viscosity, drying time, flow control, every variable is measured, tweaked, perfected. Color is analyzed under special lighting to ensure consistency across millions of pens. Whether it's your first pen or your 50th, the shade must always match. Once approved, the ink is stored in massive pressurized tanks, kept under ideal conditions, ready for the next phase, filling. Meanwhile, cartridges are born, molded from durable plastic. They're shaped to precision, lightweight, leak-proof, and ready to carry the cargo of expression. Robotic arms fill hundreds of cartridges every minute, each dose exact. Sealed, labeled, and approved, these tiny reservoirs are now full of possibility. While ink is being filled, pen parts are taking shape: barrels, clips, tips, caps. Built for comfort, designed for control, engineered for perfection. Everything comes together on the line. Ink meets shell. Tips are fitted, barrels snapped shut. What began as raw pigment is now a complete writing instrument. Each pen is packaged with care, branded, sealed, and packed for shipping. From student bundles to executive sets, presentation matters. Across continents and oceans, pens are delivered to retailers, schools, offices, and homes. Logistics keeps them moving. Ink keeps the world writing. And finally, in your hand, whether you're writing a poem, sketching a dream, or signing a future, remember, inside that pen is a story of science, precision, and purpose.